Yeah, we're sorry, buddy. We didn't mean to laugh at you. Where are you?
According to my calculations, he could be anywhere. Watching a rabid raccoon devour a rotten cantaloupe in the alley, witnessing a flock of pigeons poop on cars from the window, gazing at the majesty of dead rats floating through the sewer.
I'm not dumb. I'm not. There's nothing but smarty pants thoughts rumbling around in this old noggin, boy. Nothing but... Ooh, hey, a Mindy. It's mine! Oh, come back! Minty, 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 Minty. Oh, that's some in my mouth. Oh no, my mint. Don't worry, Minty. I'll save you. Looks like I need something long and pointy to get you out. Only a smart guy would think of that. But what? Of course, my tongue. Who's the stupid one now? I feel unexpectedly invigorated. What an odd sensation! My brain synapses are firing at an unprecedented rate. I've become super intelligent! My goodness! Even a person of half my IQ could see this establishment is in clear violation of over 538 health codes. 539! There's one thing to do. It's my duty as a responsible citizen to ensure that this store is shut down and condemned. Immediately!
All set up here, Pizza Face! Great, Rocky! Okay, to recap, we're about to find out who's a bigger genius, the amazing Doc Brocc or naturally smart.
Always green. Or Egghead, who zapped his brain by sticking his tongue in a wall outlet and now thinks he's a genius.
I am a genius.
Now, to test who's smarter beyond any possible doubt, we're of course using the most scientific method ever devised. The dunking contest. Yeah, brilliant. The loser falls in neon-colored sludge, probably never to return. Winner gets cake.
Cake. I love science.
The winner, me, also is permitted to contact the health department to close the Yucky Mart forever.
Boo! Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Let the testing begin.
Yeah!
Oh, merciful milk mold.
IQ question number 1. Egghead, what do you get when you cross a brontosaurus with fireworks?
What do you get when you cross a... That's just a riddle from a gum pack.
Wrong! The answer is dynamite. Get it? Rocky, if you will.
You're insane.
Thank you. Next question, Doc Brocc. How do you make a tissue dance?
Ha! Just put a little boogie in it.
Yeah, correct. Egghead, what did one hat say to the other?
This is totally unfair.
Nope, the hat said, you stay here, I'll go on ahead. Rocky, cut 2 spaghettis for that terrible answer. You got it.
What?
Doc, why did the toad cross the road?
To prove he had guts.
Yes!
This is madness.
Egghead's turn. What's invisible and smells like carrots?
Police!
Wrong! Bunny farts! Nice try, though. Bye-bye now.
Help! Yeah! Cease your pursuit. I'm not your enemy. This store is.
No one insults Yucky Mart. This place is paradise.
My letter!
Ha! I tore it up! In your face! Yucky Mart is safe for all time.
You realize I I can simply write another one.
Oh, well, crud.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have another letter to write, with at least 60 more violations to report. 61.
Buddy, pal, you really want all your friends kicked out on the street?
Well, I've never been out there, but I can only assume that the street is safer and less disgusting. So, yes, I'm only helping you, Rocky. My newfound intelligence has shown me the way.
Huh. What makes you think you're so smart? We've already got a super genius, Doc Brocc.
Ah, that's where I left that peppermint stick.
Of course, Doc Brocc. Egghead, I'll make a deal with you. You prove that you're smarter than Doc Brocc, and you can do whatever you want. But if he proves smarter than you promise to quit this letter stuff for good.
Agreed. But how do we determine which of us is smarter?
Well, naturally, by the most civilized scientific way possible.
What's that?
Slushy Dunking Contest!
Ah! No! Bigger problems, Doc! Look! Pizza Face is naked!
Naked? From here?
Is that a thing? Pizza Face, we gotta get out of here! Snap out of it!
Nothing. There's only one way to save a close friend at a time like this.
Agreed!
Yeah! Awesome! I wonder if this is as fun for Pizza Face.
Probably even more fun!
Totally.
Yes! They're alive!
Let me see! Lucky Pizza Face! I wish I could go faceboarding.
They're coming in fast!
Run!
Phew! We made it! We're alive!
Yeah! Greatest mountaineering trip ever! Righteous!
Hey, Pizza Face, you're back. Are you okay?
Could've used a few less mousetraps, but that was still the greatest ride of my life! Yeah! I'll say one thing about mountain climbing. It sure puts hair on your chest. Ah! Day 437. We're scaling the perilous breakfast burrito bluff, high on Mount Yuck. One false move and it's over. But there's no turning back. Everyone knows what happens when mountaineers get stranded.
Hey, stop eating me.
No!
Doctor's law. Things are terrifying. We can't tell our leader he's unconsciously afraid of heights, or he'll freak out and doom us.
Why is everyone so quiet? Man, check that awesome view! I've never been up so... Yeah!
Pizza Face, stop doing that! You'll cause a landslide!
Stop doing what? And how could I possibly cause a
Because you're afraid of... Ow!
Phew! See? As if I could cause a landslide. We did it!
We made it to the top. Or the top made it to us. Whatever.
Victory, made only sweeter by the perils we overcame. Sparkles almost lost her fizz. We nearly drowned in nacho cheese, but we made it, thanks to the steely courage and smoldering good looks of our great leader, me. I hereby claim Mount Yuck in the name of all that is gross.
Boy, it's a good thing we didn't tell you you're unconsciously afraid of heights, 'cause then you would have freaked out and caused a disaster, probably killing us all.
Sorry?
I said, it's a good thing we didn't tell you you're unconsciously afraid of heights, 'cause then you would have... Forget it.
Afraid of...
It's the Grossery Gang!
Shopping? It's going rotten!
Starring Putrid Pizza as Pizza Face, Shoccoli as Doc Brocc, Rotten Egg as Egghead, Sticky Soda as Sparkles, and Dodgey Donut as Rocky. It's where your shopping's gone rotten.
They're the Grossery Gang from the Yucky Mart store!
Yeah, so, let's recap. We were trying to throw food at the slushy machine, but missed, and made a vast mountain of crud, which we then decided to climb because it's there! Then, we survived rotten coleslaw, sharp chips, and flypaper, but were washed away in an avalanche of nacho cheese. I think we can say, greatest day of our lives!
Wait, where's Sparkles? I can't budge her!
I have an idea. Follow my lead. Hey, Sparkles, your soda is flatter than a pancake at a steamroller derby.
Yeah! Your get up and go, got up and win!
The water that drips out of the air conditioner has more fizz than you.
Lasso! Quick!
Tuna fish.
Cool! Man, I've never been this high!
What was that?
I said this high!
I have a bad feeling about this.
Thanks, Sparkles. We knew you had it in you.
So, you weren't being jerks for no good reason?
Nope, for a very good reason. We were trying to get a rise out of you. And it looks like the rise was about a mile.
And there's the top! Whoa! In a few minutes, we'll reach the in one day.
What's up with Pizza Face?
I read about this in a science journal. Or maybe a comic strip. Pizza Face is unconsciously afraid of heights.
Afraid of...
Shh! Don't tell him, or he'll become paralyzed with fear. As long as we don't go too high too fast, we'll be fine.
Ah, smell that fresh mountain air.
Did I say we'll be fine? I meant we'll be goners!
Oh!
At least we're not too high up now. Let's recap. We were trying to throw food at the slushy machine, but missed, and made a vast mountain of crud, which we then decided to climb because it's there! Then, we survived rotten coleslaw, sharp chips, and flypaper, but were washed away in an avalanche of nacho cheese. I think we can say, greatest day of our lives!
Wait, where's Sparkles? I can't budge her!
I have an idea. Follow my lead. Hey, Sparkles, your soda is flatter than a pancake at a steamroller derby.
Yeah! Your get up and go, got up and win!
The water that drips out of the air conditioner has more fizz than you.
Lasso! Quick!
Tuna fish.
Man, I've never been this high.
What was that?
I said this high.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Thanks, Sparkles. We knew you had it in you.
So, you weren't being jerks for no good reason?
Nope, for a very good reason. We were trying to get a rise out of you. And it looks like the rise was about a mile.
And there's the top! Whoa! In a few minutes, we'll reach the in one day.
What's up with Pizza Face?
I read about this in a science journal. Or maybe a comic strip. Pizza Face is unconsciously afraid of heights.
Afraid of?
Shh! Don't tell him, or he'll become paralyzed with fear. As long as we don't go too high too fast, we'll be fine.
Ah, smell that fresh mountain.
Did I say we'll be fine? I meant we'll be goners! At least we're not too high up now.
Oh!